New Year's Day is the perfect time to reset and make new goals. So why not add organizing your home to your list? Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Now that the holidays are over, it's time to get our homes in order. Here's what happened to me. Yesterday, I opened my freezer and wow, what a mess. I tossed in a lot of holiday leftovers without thinking twice. Look at this chaos in my freezer. At first, I didn't want to deal with it. Finally, I decided to give myself just 15 minutes. It was amazing. My freezer went from being a cluttered mess to a very organized place. Now I can find things very easily. The real secret when it comes to organizing is that most of it is emotional. Once we get working, it really doesn't take very long. Our mental block is what really holds us back from doing things. So, find just one small cluttered area in your home to tackle today. It could be a drawer, a shelf, or a top of the closet. Maybe you've got some old toys to sort through, or the coat closet is overflowing with surprises. No matter what it is, set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes and get started. When the timer goes off, you're done. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Drop a comment below and let us know what you organized today. You can even upload a before and after photo to inspire others. You never know, your small step might spark someone else's big cleanup. Thanks for stopping by the Spendwise Moms channel. If you want more organizing tips and ways to save money, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.